shida.
Kawadhi ewechego motudre kod oula wayudo ni kwan kuonde ma jogo moringo wuok e miregi jotie kaunti ma Mandera koro ni kod medruok kaluwore gi midhiero mar oula mapek mikelo gi koth ma sani medo chwe e thoth gwenge ma pacho ka kuonde jot maromo 10 sani osemedore e kaunti ma Mandera ahinya to e gwenge ma Elua ka Mandera South kama oganda maromo 34,000 dongo maonge jot. Kuonde jot go oriw koda ka sikunde kuonde mogere hembe ka jomoko to koro ojotie batha peni manie gwenge go. Oula mapek osekelo midhiero e locations mohewo 25 Wards 11 mantiere sub counties ma Mandera East, Mandera West, Mandera North, Mandera South, Kiliwaheri, Arabia kod sub county ma Lafey. Jogo modaro wuok e miechegi medo dhi mbele gi yudo kony koya kuom riwruoge mag Red Cross.
Of their residential homes, and that is also to say that quite large areas within the entire county are also submerged, including Lafey sub-county, in a town called Damasa, in Mandera North, in Mandera East, which is the second most impacted sub-county, especially around the area of Khalalio Dariga area. As far as we are concerned, we are trying our best as a county government to respond to this disaster.
And as Kenya Red Cross, we have been doing a number of interventions that was geared to a displaced population, specifically the population that were displaced around 34,000 within the entire Mandera County. As we are speaking as Kenya Red Cross, in partnership with county government of Mandera, so far we have gone ahead and supported families that were displaced in Mandera South specifically. Now we have around 10 camps, totaling to 7,000 displaced population.
It is good to report right now that we do have a good response with regards to provision of medicine, shelter items that has been availed by Red Cross and the county government of Mandera. And we would want that one upscaled because so far it has only affected only Elwak town. We still have other many areas in the sub-county, Wargadud, Shibr Fatuma, Fincharo, Burmayo, that we also have been affected, and a lot needs to be done to reach them. And we expect that going forward in the next coming days, help is going to reach them too.